Everyone, today we are going to discuss the example of Arden's theorem. As per Arden's theorem, it says if you have an equation like this, R is equal to Q plus RP. For such type of equations, there is only one solution, that is R is equal to QP star. So, our main focus of today's lecture is example of Arden's theorem, and we are using Arden's theorem to convert this automata to regular expression, and for doing this we need to know the Arden's theorem. This theorem says you have an equation R is equal to Q plus RP only, and one solution is there, that is R equals to QP star. Now what you need to do in this example is, you are having three states, you have to make equation in this form, R is equal to Q plus RP for all the states. So for this Q1 you have to see all the incoming arrows. One incoming arrow is there and another incoming arrow is with the symbol 0. So in this case the equation will be written as Q1 with the symbol 0 is going to Q1. So you will write Q1 0 plus you are having this symbol. This shows that this is the initial state. For initial state you have to write epsilon here. So first equation for state number 1, that is Q1, the equation is Q1 is equal to Q1 0 plus epsilon. Similarly, you will write the equation for Q2 and Q3. So I am writing it as Q2 is equal to, see, you can see from the diagram, Q2 with the symbol 1 is going to Q2. So you will write Q2 1 plus, you can see the incoming arrow from Q1 also. So it will be written as Q1 and the symbol is again 1. So you will write 1 there. You, for this Q3, you have to do is, the symbol is Q0 and the state is Q2. So you will write Q2 0 plus, for Q3 it is having a self loop of 0 and 1. So you will write Q3 0 plus Q3 1. Now the next step is, these are the three equations. You have to compare each of these equations with this R is equal to Q plus RP. So what you will do is, first of all I am taking this Q1. So when I compare this with R is equal to Q plus RP, it will become, see, this will become R, again this is R, anything that is written with R will be known as P. So this will be P and this will be Q. So as per Arden's theorem, the solution for this will be R is equal to QP star. So if I write this, so it will be written as Q1 is equal to Q is epsilon here and P is 0 here. So this is epsilon 0 star, which is further written as 0 star. So for the equation Q1, the solution is 0 star. The regular expression is 0 star. Now you can see from the diagram, this diagram has two final states. One is Q1 and another one is Q2. You have find the expression for Q1, the same way you have to find this for Q2 also. So what the next I do, I compare this equation with R is equal to Q plus RP. So this will be the R, again this will be the R, anything written with the R is Q and the thing which is in addition is Q. You can see it is Q1 1. You have already found the value of Q1 as 0 star. So what the next step? In the next step, I will substitute this Q1 as 0 star here. So this Q2 becomes, just a minute, let me change the color. So this becomes Q2 is equal to Q2 1 plus, instead of this Q1, I am substituting it with 0 star. So this will be 0 star and 1 will remain as it is. So in the next step, when we compare this R with this equation with R is equal to Q plus RP, the solution will be written as R is equal to QP star. R, as you can see, R is Q2 here. So this is Q2 is equal to QP star. This whole will be considered as Q here. So this will be 0 star 1 and this is R, this is P. In the solution we have to write Q, P star. P is 1 here. So this will be star. So for Q2, the expression is 0 star 1 1 star and for Q1 the expression is 0 star. you can see from the diagram there are two final states. So the final result will be summation of these two states, summation of the result of these two states. So I am writing it here. The final solution will be Q1 plus Q2, that is for Q1 I will write 0 star plus for Q2 I will write 0 star 1 star. So this will be the required regular expression for the given finite automaton. So in this way we have learned about the Arden's theorem as well as the way how we are writing the regular expression from the given finite automaton. Thank you.